Okay, so my name is Jaden and I forgot to tell you that. And welcome to my YouTube channel. I come from 3 different countries, England, America, and Kenya. So this is the inside of my house. Let me show you around. This is the dining room table where I had some toast and marmalade before that. That's the fine stunt. So we're moving on. As you can see, this is the kitchen where I enjoy making yummy meals for me to eat, and some of them are for my parents to have for dinner. These are my lunch boxes for school. That's where I put in all the food, and this is a delicious sandwich for lunch. So let me show you over here. This is where I keep all of my food, as you can already see, and store it up for good safage so that it doesn't get wasted. Now, as we're moving on, we will now move on to the left side. This is where I have my morning showers to get ready for school. As you can see, this is the ironing room where my housekeeper irons all the clothes and folds them up in pairs. It's quite fun here. Moving on upstairs where my bedroom is. Ooh, this is the office where my dad comes to work on his computer, where I used to be allowed to play fun computer games, but my mom banned me from them, so I can't play anymore. Okay, so now you get to see my bedroom. This is my bedroom. It may seem a little dark, but I've turned on the lights. The lights are just like that first when I turned them on. So, as you can see, this is my bedroom. And I have a nice TV in here to watch shows whenever I want. So, now we move on to another room. This is the place where I sometimes also take my showers, and it's quite a nice place in here if you want to take a relaxing bath.
Switch on the lights.
Ooh. As you can see, this is where the guests sleep, and there's lots of fun things to do around my place. This is my parents' bedroom, where they sleep and have a nice rest when they're tired. This is the dressing table where my mom dresses up and puts on her makeup. And let me show you where she stores all of her clothes. Here's where she keeps all of her clothes for safe storage. See? Quite nice room, huh? Okay, so that's all of my house. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a nice trip. Goodbye.